Faculty of Management and Commerce ni Luwajijakma by IFCAI University of Khlaijakha Next Generation GST Reforms Panda. Pandao Narowai Okra Manjakha Haste ni Finance Minister Pranajit Singha Roy.
Asalo poilana Pandao Manjakna Narowai rogno lamjak sogoi naharjaka abone yagulono jati gathar musungai asalni Pandano jengsaureka Hasteni Finance Minister Pranajit Singha Roy abone yagulono asalni Pandano tebe koksaka Hasteni Finance Minister Pranajit Singha Roy,
which is ultimately borne by consumers. Rationalization of rates can reduce the tax burden on essential goods and services used by ordinary households. Automated scrutiny and risk-based enforcement have improved voluntary compliance. For Tripura,
asalni Pandao Hasteni Finance Minister Pranajit Singha Roy na karibu Manjakha IFCAI University ni Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Biplov Hardar IFCAI University ni Registrar Dr. A. Ranganat no khowai tei kuvan Professor rokbo Manjakha abo haikena Manjakha students rokbo. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.